In this video, I'll show you the right way to promote affiliate product on medium.com. It's free, but you need to do it right. If not, your articles will not go anywhere. Please watch what I'm about to show you and follow the steps and do it right. Don't be too salesy and links everywhere. 2. Don't write articles for Google for people to read. 3rd, make sure people will benefit from your article. It's all about sharing your experience or what people will get from reading your story. These are 3 facts you should understand before you join the Medium platform. I'm going to use Systemeio as an example. Before you promote a product on medium.com, you need to understand the product. When you come on this site, you need to let people know why you like this product and how it's going to benefit them, including how you've benefited from this product. These are things you need to understand. To write an article, click on Write. Give your story a title or your article a title. You need to let people know what the product has done for you or what it can do for them. I'll say something like, why like Systemeio for my online, something like this. When you have a title like this, it's like you are about to tell people what the product has done for you. Also, you can put a subtitle here if you want. You can add something like, could this be the best marketing? If you want, you can use apply italics, then enter. I have the product name here, Systemeio. That's the keyword. And people who are interested in online business, this will be the best tool for them. That's digital marketing tool. Then you need to add an image. I would say, first of all, you can copy the logo and create something, but I would prefer to add just a digital image, like a free stock. Just by the way, but you can use Canva to create your images. I have tutorials on it. To do that, just hover over here. This is if you have an image in your computer that you've created already, you can use it. But I don't have, I'll use stock image. Or if you want to use a video, you can click on this. I'll click on this and I'll type Gay Marketing, enter. You don't necessarily have to use Systemeio. You can use anything digital marketing or even a simple laptop. I'll use this one, then click down here. Now you need strong introduction. All right, I'll show you what to write. I'll say, I have tried many digital marketing tools, but the system or to provide needed to run my line. This is why you need the family. And I would say it's affordable and easy to use. Right here, I've made a strong statement about the product. What next? With Medium, you always have to make sure you have some spacing, easy for the reader to absorb. You've made a strong statement. The next thing you need to do is to go to the page and find out things about this product. You can create sales funnels, you can send marketing emails, build websites. Now, you can manage your affiliate products, create courses and stuff like that. These are things you should write about. And one thing I want you to understand, always write it with a human touch. Don't write it like what is sales funnel. Tell the reader the benefit they can get. I'll copy this. I'm just using it as an example. Then paste, go back here. Then I'll pretend this is my story. Highlight and use this as a title. Now, but in reality, you have to create your own story. You need a Grammarly to correct all these things. Also, you can add more images. It makes your article stands out. You see how this guy has it? He said, I got everything I needed within Systemeio and more. I tried building a sales funnel on another website builder, but it was clunky and frustrating. And every time I needed another function, I would have to pay more. This has a human touch to it. It's telling you his experience and what he went through using other networks and the benefit he has gotten using this particular product. This is how you have to craft your story, but I'm using it as an example. Also, you can use testimonials if you want. I'm pretending as if I'm done writing. By the way, let me use dummy and just why do we use it? Let me just copy this. Go here, paste. One thing, then you have to correct everything. I know it's gonna underline, but don't worry. In your case, you're gonna write a better article. Let's pretend we are done with this. I'll add testimonials to do that, I'll go back here and let's see. I'll use this extension. It's called sniping tool. This is it. Then you click. You can install it. It's free. This is a Chrome extension. Then click on new. I'll go up a bit and I'll make sure I'm a little bit down just so you can capture everything. Click, copy, move over. Make sure you give a space. Then you click down here. Then Ctrl V. Then type caption for image. This is optional. You can do that if you want, if not, but it's always good to do. I'll say Systemeio, then enter. Now we need to add the affiliate link. Please, as you can tell, I've not used any link. I'm gonna use just one link. I'll say you can access Systemeio through this link. This is my affiliate link, and as you can tell, it looks really ugly. I'll copy it, right click, copy. I can just highlight and just click on the link and drop it, but I don't want to do that because this link look ugly. I can go to bit.ly, say bit.ly, go here because this is a link shortener. You can use it for free. Scroll, then you can drop it here, drop it, and click shorten. You see, this look better. Copy and go back here. And the reason why you should use bit.ly link shortener, it just cloak your affiliate link and it redirects it. Even with this, Medium cannot just suspend your article for using direct affiliate link because this is a direct link. Then enter. One thing that people forget to do, and this is the reason why they always find themselves in trouble. Enter, then disclaimer. The link above contain an affiliate URL. I will earn a small commission if you subscribe via this link. This is affiliate disclaimer. Let me just highlight and click on bold. Most of the time, per the FTC guidelines, the disclaimer should always be close to the affiliate link. This is simple. The link above contains an affiliate URL. I will earn a small commission if you subscribe via this link with no additional costs. Now, this is the first way to drop your affiliate link. The other method is to create a landing page. If you create a landing page, you don't need to add a disclaimer. I can copy this, right click, copy and move over, and I can highlight this. If I highlight this and I change the link and I drop it, then I don't need this here because this is a landing page. In most cases, I love landing pages. If you don't know how to create one, I'll drop a tutorial in the description box. But in your case, this is how you have to do it. Excuse me. Now, the reason why I don't like using the link like this with this disclaimer, the medium.com system can easily pick it up and they can choose not to promote your article because of this link. But if you have a good article and people are reading it, they have no choice. They will promote it. But if you don't have the disclaimer, they will not. This is what Medium expects you to do. One link and disclaimer. Just use less links in your articles. So let's say with this article you have one link. The next two articles don't use links. You need to add keywords. Systemeio, as you can tell, Systemeio review is what they have here. Use it. And again, Systemeio digital marketing is good. I'll say online, no, make money online is good. Then also free website. Now people are not subscribing. See, we don't have much free website builder. Now as you can tell, this is not good. I'll just erase it and I'll say online business is better. Or I'll say free landing. Now what about landing page? Landing design, this is good. This is how you're gonna go about it. You have to make sure you are checking if the numbers are higher, and you can only add 5 hashtags. Then when you are satisfied with everything, you just have to click publish and send now. But I don't want to do that because I use dummy test in this article. It wouldn't make sense to publish it. This is how you go about it. Thanks for your time. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.